Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can garden in Disney Dreamlight Valley. So first you'll need the seed, of course. So let's just check my inventory and see if I have seeds. So press I on your keyboard to check your inventory. So I do have like carrot seeds and canola seeds. If you don't have them, there's like a lot laying around, or you can buy it in the store if you have it opened yet. But if not, you are just going to basically like go around your valley and find some seeds and just collect them by pressing E. Here, just plant your seed by pressing E. If you want to plant a lot, you can just hold the E button on your keyboard and it will plant multiple of the plants. Then you are going to have to water them, so press tab and select the watering can, and you're just going to water your plants by just like moving around and watering them. And I already have a plant that's ready to be harvested. Basically, I'm just going to go over them and press harvest. You can also harvest fruits around the game like so. Like they have like apples and stuff like that just around the game without you having to plant it. I do have a full inventory, so I can't do that anymore, but that is basically it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!